So hi! Welcome and welcome back sa my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Saya All99 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayun guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And then dito guys, dial lang natin is *123 number sign or hashtag and then call. And then after nyo guys, may magpa-pop up na option. So ang pipiliin natin dito is yung Saya All. So nasa number 3 siya, kaya number 3 yung itatype natin. And then after nyo ma-type yung number 3, tap na natin yung send. And dito guys, piliin nyo lang yung number 2. So nakalagay sa number 2 is 6 gigabytes for 7 days na 99 pesos. So ito yung Saya All 99. So para masubscribe tayo dito sa Saya All 99, type lang natin yung number 2 and then send. So ayan guys, kapag nag-register tayo ng Saya All 99, makakakuha tayo ng Only TikTok plus Only FB and Mobile Legends. Plus, meron pa siyang 6 gigabytes na data, plus only calls and text, good for 7 days na siya guys. So, napakasulit ng load na to kung mahilig kayo sa TikTok, Facebook, or Mobile Legends. So, para subscribe natin guys, type lang natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Saya All99 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!